So good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about who is who in India 2026. These questions are most important for UPSC, SSC, banking, railway and any other state level examination. So move to the question number 1. Who is the president of India? Option A Ramnath Kovind, option B Draupadi Murmu, option C Narendra Modi and option D Om Birla. If you know the answer, then comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also hype the video. So move to the answer, and the correct answer is option B Draupadi Murmu. Move to the question 2. Who is the Vice President of India? Option A Jagdeep Dhankar, option B Venkaiah Naidu, option C CP Radhakrishnan and option D Amit Shah. If you know, then comment below. Move to the answer, and the answer is option C CP Radhakrishnan. Question number 3. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Option A Rahul Gandhi, option B Narendra Modi, option C Rajnath Singh and option D Amit Shah. And the answer is option B Narendra Modi. Move to the question number 4. Who is the Chief Justice of India? Option A D.Y. Chandrachud, option B B.R. Gavai, option C Surya Kant and option D U.U. Lalit. Comment down the answer if you know. And the answer is option C Justice Surya Kant. Then move to question number 5. Who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Option A Om Birla, option B Piyush Goyal, option C Rajnath Singh and option D Dharmendra Pradhan. And the correct answer is option A Om Birla. Then question number 6. Who is the Chief Electoral Commissioner of India? Option A Rajiv Kumar, option B Gyanesh Kumar, option C Sushil Chandra and option D Arun Goel. And the correct answer is option B Gyanesh Kumar. So Gyanesh Kumar is the Chief Election Commissioner of India. Question number 7. Who is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAG? So who is the CAG of India? Option A Girish Chandra Murmu, option B K Sanjay Murthy, option C Tushar Mehta and option D Manoj Soni. And the answer is option B K Sanjay Murthy. Option B K Sanjay Murthy. Question number 8. Who is the Attorney General of India? Attorney General of India. Option A Kapil Sibal, option B R Venkataramani, option C Mukul Rohatgi and option D Harish Salve. If you know, then comment down. If you know, then comment down. And the answer is option B Venkataramani. Move to the question number 9. Who is the Solicitor General of India? Option A Tushar Mehta, option B C.S. Vidyanathan, option C Harish Salve and option D Pinky Anand. So answer is option A Tushar Mehta. Option A Tushar Mehta. Question number 10. Who is the National Security Advisor NSA of India? Option A Ajit Doval, option B Rajnath Singh, option C Vikram Misri and option D Samant Goel. And the answer is option A Ajit Doval. Ajit Doval is the current NSA National Security Advisor of India. Move to the question number 11. Who is the Governor of RBI? Option A Shaktikant Das, option B Sanjay Malhotra, option C Urjit Patel, and option D, Raghuram Rajan. And the correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. So Sanjay Malhotra is the current governor of RBI. Move to the question number 12. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Option A, Parliament. Option B, President. Option C, Supreme Court. And option D, Electoral Commission. So if you know, then comment down. The answer is President. Option B. Question number 13. Vice President of India is ex officio chairman of which house? Option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, Rajya Sabha. Option C, Supreme Court. And option D, Cabinet. And the correct answer is option B, Rajya Sabha. Question number 14. Who holds ranks 1 in India order of presidency? Precedence. Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Vice President. And option D, Chief Justice. And the correct answer is President. Move to the question number 15. Who hold rank 2 in order of precedence? Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Vice President. Option C, Speaker. And option D, Defense Minister. And the correct answer is option B, Vice President. Question number 16. Who is called the Head of State of India? Head of State of India. Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, President. Option C, Chief Justice. And option D, Governor. And the correct answer is option B, President. Then move to the question number 17. Who is the head of government in India? A, President. B, Prime Minister. C, Speaker. And D, CJI. If you know, then comment down. If you know, then comment down. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Move to the answer B, Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the head of government in India. Then question number 18. Who leads the Indian Council of Ministers? So A, President. B, Prime Minister. C, Home Minister. And D, Cabinet Minister. केंद्रीय मंत्रिपरिषद का नेतृत्व कौन करता है? ऑप्शन ए, प्रेसिडेंट. बी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर. सी, होम मिनिस्टर. एंड डी, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर. एंड द आंसर इज बी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर. एंड द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर. प्राइम मिनिस्टर लीड्स द यूनियन काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. केंद्रीय मंत्रिपरिषद का नेतृत्व कौन करता है? प्राइम मिनिस्टर.